Hi crafters, the March take and make is Yarn Robins. In your kit, you'll find a card of yarn. There's brown, red, and variegated, 2 brown pipe cleaners, a styrofoam ball with 2 pins, and a piece of cardstock with an orange circle. You need to add scissors, glue, and an unbent paperclip. First, cut 3 pieces of yarn from the brown yarn. 2 should be around 3 to 4 inches and 1 5 to 6. Take one of the smaller pieces of yarn and wrap it around the bundle of brown yarn and tie it. Slip the bundle off the card and cut the loops. Remove the red yarn. Cut the cardstock along the line. Cut 2 short pieces of yarn from the red and wrap it around the shorter side of the cardstock. Make a yarn bundle just like you did with the brown yarn. Put the red bundle down and put the brown bundle on top to make a cross. Fold the red back on itself over the brown bundle and tie a piece of red yarn around it. Do the same for the brown yarn. Next, cut a short piece of brown variegated yarn and wrap the variegated yarn around the short side of the piece of cardstock as you did with the red yarn. Put the variegated yarn across the red and brown bundles to make a cross. Put the styrofoam ball on top of all the yarn and bring the yarn up and around the ball. Gather all the yarns at the back and tie off tightly. Cut the yarns so they are basically even. This is the tail. Push the pins into the area where the red and brown yarns are connected. Use the pipe cleaners to make feet. I did 3 toes to help with stability and because it's cute. Twist the ends of the pipe cleaner together to make it nice and stiff. Use the unbent paper clip to start a hole in the styrofoam ball and push the leg into the hole. You can add a drop of glue if you would like. Carefully cut the orange circle out and cut it in half. Roll it up to make a cone and glue the ends together. Put glue all around the bottom of the cone and press it onto the face of the bird. You may need to fuss around with the yarn to make sure the styrofoam is completely covered, but now you're done. And you can welcome spring with a robin made from yarn. Have a good day.